Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when working with technology. Picture this. You're in the middle of a task on your computer, and suddenly, out of nowhere, the screen goes black. Frustrating, right? This problem can catch us off guard and cause a bit of panic, especially if you're in the middle of something important. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky issue. The key to fixing a black screen problem on your computer is to reboot it in safe mode. By doing this, you can access your system with basic settings, allowing you to troubleshoot any recent changes or software installations that may have caused the black screen. It's a simple yet effective solution that can help you get back up and running in no time. Safe mode is a diagnostic mode of a computer operating system, OS. It can also refer to a mode of operation by application software. Safe mode is intended to help an IT professional or OEM determine what is causing the problem with the computer. When a computer is in safe mode, it will load only essential drivers and services, allowing you to remove any recent changes that may be causing the black screen issue. In summary, encountering a black screen problem on your computer could be a real headache. But with a simple solution of rebooting in safe mode, you can quickly troubleshoot and resolve the issue. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or your own tech mishap story. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay safe and stay techy.